Hey guys, welcome back. This is the next part that I'm going to tackle. This is the worst piece of the whole camper. This whole corner is gone. As you can see, not much left of it. Originally there was a ladder mounted up here to climb up off the roof, but I don't need that, and it's additional weight of 15 kilograms. This panel is just the same as the side, so some 3 centimeter wide pieces, some 2 centimeter wide pieces. I save you that, so I make them off camera. And I have to glue up some wider pieces for the door jamb and for the light supports down there. So let's start with those. Place these corner brackets here, so when I'm gluing the plywood sheet on it, I can follow this curve with the trim router, and also glued in some pieces over here and on the other side. So I don't need to use a complete sheet of plywood for this piece. I can just make one that's this wide and one for the other side, and just a filler piece up until here, because that gets trimmed anyways, so that shouldn't be a problem. But I messed up on the other side. I cut all those pieces 1 centimeter too short, because the old one was rotten, all the edges, so I couldn't measure it properly. So I have to make another piece that is a little bit wider. The most time-consuming part of this build is avoiding all the knots, because getting wide pieces out of this stock is very difficult, but lumber prices are crazy, and this is the cheapest way to build it. I have a lot of offcuts, but this should be alright because there's a knot in here, but I think I can get a 3 centimeter wide piece out of that. And I have to mill the thickness down, avoid any cracks, and that should do. Let's take a look how much this weighs. I try to center it. Almost 15 kilograms. And I'm also interested in the weight of the door with the aluminum frame. And that's 10 kilograms. So this is done. I just have to clean up the door and attach the third brake light over here and the backup camera. So this is the part I'm going to make next. This is the climb through area with the small door cutout. This is covered with plywood from both sides, so I have to use the plans how this is constructed. And as you can see here, these are some braces for the legs of the camper, some braces over here for the bench, and obviously the cutout framing for the door. So let's start with those wider pieces. So let's take the scale and figure out how much this weighs. And 11 kilograms. And the door weighs just over 4. That's all the time I have for this week, so thank you guys for watching, and a huge thanks to Shepard for sponsoring this video. Make sure you check them out in the description, and see you next time. Bye!